Imagine this. The team over at HOWL Campfires have been secretly working on something new, something never seen before. They've taken the features that we love in their R4 and their R1 fire pits, and they've forged them together into something new. Now let me introduce you to HOWL's newest campfire, the R3. I'll unbox it, we'll fire it up, I'll show you all its features, and I'll tell you why we like it. Why We Like It is a channel about stuff we like. Hey, if you don't like it, that's okay, move along. But if you like it, subscribe. Let me start with showing you what comes in the box. Right on top, there are 2 stickers to support the team. A tech sheet called 5 Things to Know About Your HOWL, and a detailed manual to guide you through not only the components of the fire pit, but also step by step on how to safely light and use your R3. I found a few more things underneath, which includes a 3rd sticker, fantastic brand marketing, and a bag that holds the 8-foot regulator hose. The R3 weighs in at only 20 pounds and has the folded dimensions of 18 inches by 12 inches by 5.8 inches. HOWL says that this is smaller than a case of long necks, and I say it'll fit in your RV, your SUV, or just in the back of your pickup truck. So no matter what you're doing on Friday night, if it's camping, overlanding, or just tailgating in the parking lot while you wait for your kids to finish Little League practice, you can hang out and toss a flame. Now mind you, this puts off the heat. It has an operating temperature of 1,100 Fahrenheit, and it puts off a flame height of 2 feet. It accomplishes this with 2 separate burners. One is called the BarCoal U-tube, and the other is called the A-flame. And it's this burner design that makes the R3 really built for 3-season camping. Now I want to fire this up, show you how it works, and explain a little bit more about the technology. We start by connecting our 8-foot regulator hose via the quick connect to the R3. With your hose properly connected to the propane tank, go ahead about 2.5 rotations to open your tank. Now turn the regulator knob 3 rotations clockwise. Back on the R3, we're going to turn the mission control knob to the on position. At the same time, ignite the R3 at the exhaust zone where it's labeled light here. Just like on the R4 and the R1, this has the A-flame burner, where there's a windscreen that keeps the flame burning without hiding the light. This allows you to not lose your flame or have your flame blown out in a high wind situation. And much like its big brother, the R4, the R3 has a U-shaped burner called the BarCoal, and this heats up to red hot. Heat is then directed by what HOWL calls the Echo Heat Reflector Shields. This gives reproducible, complete control over the heat, making it safe for forests and fire bans. This diagram shows you how the heat zone keeps you toasty and yet keeps it cool underneath for safety. So you can safely use the R3 on your back deck, on blacktop parking areas, on the roof of your RV, or even on the bow of your fishing boat. The team at Colfax partnered with HOWL on this handmade carry bag. Shh, listen. I figured I'd just let it speak for itself. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison with the R1 and the R3. When folded, the R1 is about the same size as a shoebox and weighs in at 10 pounds, which is 10 pounds less than the R3 that weighs in at 20 pounds. To achieve portability, the R1 loses one of the burners compared to the R3. The R1 has only one burner, and that is the A-flame burner. So you don't get the radiant heat that you do on an R3 or an R4. Now that flame can still throw off a lot of heat. The R1 has a 32-inch flame and it puts off 800 Fahrenheit of operating temperature. The R1 is a 1-season fire pit, the R3 is a 3-season fire pit, and the R4 is a 4-season fire pit, all based off of the radiant heat that they put out. All 3 are made right here in the USA in Colorado, handmade, and they are really built like a tank. And as for price, at the time of this video, the R1 comes in at $374, the R3 comes in at $875, and the R4 comes in at $1474. I've explained how the BarCoal works and how the A-flame works, but let's crack this thing open. I want to show you how this thing is put together. The R3 is created to be serviceable if needed, and HOWL actually encourages when you first get the unit to take this cover off and check to make sure there are no gas leaks. Under the hood, everything is meticulously plumbed. Here's the backside of the control valve. Next is where the gas line connects to the A-flame burner. And here's the recipe for that high heat, extremely clean flame of the BarCoal. It's not one, but two large gas jets that are perfectly vented for a clean burn. Here's a close-up look of the BarCoal U-tube, which captures that high heat and then radiates it out through the echo heat reflector shields to the people sitting around and enjoying the fire. And the final detail is the laser cut air vents that lets air easily move in and around those jets. Simplistic and well-executed design makes this a product that will work for a lifetime. Now let me give you my final thoughts and tell you why we like it. First, it's built tough. This thing is stainless steel construction. Second, it puts out serious heat, just like a real campfire, except without the smoke. Third, thoughtful design. Whoever's making these things probably should work for SpaceX. And fourth, it's really ready for whatever adventure you want to take it on. If you want to find out more about the R3 and other HOWL campfires, I'll drop the links below in the description. Now, what are your thoughts on the R3? How would you use this? Would you take this camping? Drop your questions and your comments, and let's have a discussion about it. Hey, thanks for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe. This is stuff we like and why we like it. If you're anything like us, we know you're gonna like it too.